Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your wallet in MetaMask. First, open your web browser and ensure the MetaMask extension is installed and unlocked. You'll need to have your wallet ready with some funds if you plan to make transactions. This process is essential for interacting with various decentralized applications, often called dApps, across different blockchain networks. Let's get started with the first step. Once you are on the dApps website, locate the Connect Wallet or Login button, usually found in the top right corner. Clicking this button will trigger a pop-up from your MetaMask extension. This pop-up will ask for your permission to connect your wallet to the specific dApp. Always verify that you are on the correct and legitimate website before proceeding with any connection. In the MetaMask pop-up, carefully review the details of the connection request. You will see which dApp is requesting access and which of your accounts it wants to connect. Select the specific account you intend to use for this interaction. After confirming your choice, click Next and then Connect to authorize the connection. Your wallet is now linked to the dApp, ready for transactions. With your wallet successfully connected, you can now perform actions like buying, selling, or swapping tokens directly on the dApp. Remember to always disconnect your wallet from any dApp when you are finished using it, especially if you are on a public computer, to maintain security. This helps protect your assets from unauthorized access. Also, for some great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.